In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labor costs to a project in QuickBooks Online. To make this work properly, the first thing you need to do is enable the right settings inside QuickBooks Online. Start by opening Settings, then go to Account and Settings. From there, click on the Advanced tab and look for the Project section. You'll want to turn on the option that organizes all job-related activity in one place. This is what allows QuickBooks to group transactions, time, and costs under a specific project, so you can track profitability more clearly. Next, go to the Expenses tab. Here, make sure the setting to track expenses and items by customer is turned on. This step is important because it connects costs and activity to the right customer or project. Once both settings are enabled, click Save and then click Done. At this point, your account is set up to start tracking labor costs correctly. Now that the features are turned on, the next step is to set the cost rates for the people working on the project. In the left-hand menu, go to All Apps and then Open Projects. Choose the specific project you want to work with and click Manage Settings. Then select Set Cost Rate. You'll see the list of employees or contractors available for that project. For each person, enter their hourly cost rate. This should be the amount you actually pay them, not the amount you charge your customer. That distinction matters because QuickBooks uses this rate to calculate your internal labor cost, which helps you understand your true project expenses and overall margin. After entering the rates, click Save. Once the cost rates are in place, the final step is to log the project time. This is what allows QuickBooks to calculate labor costs automatically based on the hours worked. Click the New button and choose either Single Time Activity or Weekly Timesheet, depending on how you prefer to enter time. Single Time Activity is useful for entering one shift or one day at a time, while Weekly Timesheet can be faster if you're recording several days together. Enter the employee or contractor, select the date, and type in the hours worked. Then, in the Customer or Project field, make sure you choose the exact project you're tracking. This part is essential because if the time isn't assigned to the project, the labor cost won't appear where you need it. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. And that's it. Once time is entered and linked to the project, QuickBooks Online can use the saved cost rates to reflect labor costs inside the project, giving you a clearer picture of how much the work is really costing.